Buying your first home? Let's cut through the confusion in just 60 seconds. Hi, I'm Carolyn Aliverdi. I'm from Real Estate by Carolyn over at Balboa Real Estate. Appraisal shows what your home is really worth. Lenders will not loan more than that. Contingencies, conditions that must be met, like inspections. Closing costs, legal fees, taxes, and insurance. Know them before signing it. Down payment, often 3.5% to 20%, but some loans offer 10% down. Escalation clause, want to beat a better offer? This says you will. Mortgage rate, the interest you'll pay. Small changes means big dollar amount. Pre-approval letter shows you're serious and tells you what you can afford. Don't stress the jargon. Let's make it simple together. Drop me a comment with a real estate term that's tripping you up and making you feel uncomfortable. Like, follow, and DM me today, because a confident buyer is a smart buyer. Carolyn Aliverdi from Real Estate by Carolyn over at Balboa Real Estate, putting you first every step of the way.